You might not expect it, but our Music Sentiment API is showing a sentiment score of plus 0.70 and a momentum of plus 0.29, signaling a noteworthy spike in positive sentiment around music right now. This is unusual. Historically, we typically see fluctuating sentiment, but this level of enthusiasm is a clear outlier. What does this mean for you? Our API returns detailed sentiment analysis, allowing you to tap into the emotional pulse of music trends, with insights organized into 18 semantic clusters. Imagine using this data to enhance your music recommendation system by prioritizing tracks that resonate with listeners' current emotional states. You can create a more engaging user experience. Dive deeper into this analysis at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Your next big project could start here.